All right, today we're going to be looking at Chop AI, and this is a platform that allows you to chop up and split up long form videos and turn them into short form clips. Now, we have seen this software created quite a bit of times, but this one does bring some different angles to the ball game. One of them is that this is human trained AI, so professional video editors are the creators of this platform. And so what they actually did was took all of their trained professional skills and they trained it on editing real videos with real professional editing decisions, and they took all that information in order to actually create this app that kind of mimics real live human editors, helping select dialogue that tells a clear, engaging story, not just splicing it up in like all the other ones do. So I have done a lot of reviews on these softwares, and I've already taken this for a test drive, and I can tell you that it does uniquely take, different sentences from your video, and it might skip a sentence that maybe is kind of filler, fluff kind of content that doesn't really need to be in the clip. So it'll actually skip that part, and then it'll move on to the next line, and then it will actually make better clips overall for you. So that is really, really interesting. And we'll come over here real quick, and I like to just look at how many what their web traffic looks like. They're getting almost 50,000 visitors per month to the site. That's really, really good. And then we'll come over here and we'll look at pricing. So you can actually fine tune however much you need it for, or your agency. The minimum plan is 4 hours per month, and it's going to be around $20 a month right there. You can also save by getting an annual subscription, and you can see the price just goes up from there. So there's a price point for everybody starting at about $20 a month, really, which is really cool. This is a really good software for, like, if you've heard of web clipping or short form clipping. It's basically where you can actually get paid to take, brands or, entrepreneurs, or you can take their content, a lot of it'll be podcasts or interviews, things like that. And you can take their content and actually make short clips of them using something like Chop AI. And you work out a contract with that content creator, and they'll actually pay you per 1,000 views. And this is actually a thing now in 2026. This is a way that some people are making thousands of dollars a month for. So this would be a great tool to use for that. I'm going to jump in real quick, and I've already got some videos uploaded, and we'll go over all the different things. There is a pro model or pro version as well. And that part, really pro, I believe everybody has access to it, because it doesn't really say it here in the pricing area. Because when you upload a clip, you'll have the option to go with regular credit mode or the pro credit mode, which pro credit mode will take more credits per video edit. But that also has a more intentional first draft, stronger hooks, and clips that feel more human edited. Okay, so that's when you would want to select those. So I've already got a bunch right over here. I'm going to go and I'll just go and pick out a video over here. And what I'm going to do is just go push the plus button, and we'll go with AI clips right here. So I'm going to click this right here, and then I can just paste the YouTube video right here. And I've got my videos that I'm using. I'm going to show you in a minute, but this is how this would work, right? So it's going to process the video, and then you can select music, punch zooms right here. It'll automatically do all that as well, which is nice. I don't see a lot of the other clip type of tools like this doing this kind of stuff, especially the punch zooms automatically. You can actually trim this. If there's only about 3 or 4 minutes of the video that you actually want to edit, then you could go ahead and fix that by selecting the cursor right here if you wanted to. And then you have the generate clips, but right here there's a little drop down, and you can actually go to the pro version, which I'm going to do that. But if you go with light version, it's going to be fast and cost effective generation, and it's going to be more of what you would expect. And maybe you want to go in and fine tune and edit each video anyway, so maybe you want to just use the light version. I'm going to go with pro, and it says it's higher quality generation and with advanced models. So I'm going to click that, and I'm just going to say go generate clips, and now it's going to go and generate these clips for us right here. Then it has 4 right now. Actually, I didn't see that the first time I was doing this. There's actually 4 caption styles, but if there's a little arrow right here, you can actually go and look at more, so you can see and try to find something that you like. And I'm going to go with this one right here. So I'm going to select that and then say confirm. And you can skip the captions right there if you will. And so then now it's in the queue and it is now going to start working on that for us. All right, so I'm going to show you, I pre-did this already while making the video. I already worked on this for a couple of times. So these will stay in here for 30 days, which is nice. Some of the competitors also keep your clips in there for 30 days as well. So that's nice that they have that. So I'm going to click on a video, show you kind of what this looks like, right? So it's going to have all these clips right over here that it created. It said that it created 15 clips from this video. The longer the video is probably going to create more clips for you. Then you can come in here and it's going to give you a score right over here. And you can see it'll tell you that you use the light version right there. So we can come over here and just click on it. You can either download it directly. You can watch it right here.
When we come in here to the community, you'll see 3600 from my latest course launch. I teach you how to launch and sell your own course to your own audience. We have people that just came in.
Now you can see that it automatically got rid of a bunch of text right there. And this is what I was talking about at the beginning of the video, that I think this separates this from other, like Submagic, Opus Clips, all the other popular ones, is that this is automatically cutting sentences that it doesn't think tell the story very well. And it's keeping only the good text right here. Now, I don't see that in those other tools. What the other tools do is it just takes the entire paragraph at a time and it just cuts it up like that. So it just takes a look at your timeline of your video and it literally just says, okay, 30 seconds cut, 30 seconds cut, 45 seconds cut, 1 minute cut. And so everything inside of that 30 seconds or that 45 seconds or that 60 seconds is included in the clip. And so this is a different way of doing it. Their AI is just, they have an algorithm that seems to be more advanced when it comes to reading the text and so forth, right? So this is going to tell you exactly what text is included. Now you could click on the edit button from here, or you can go right in here and you can also click the edit button. And this is where it's going to prepare to edit your video. And you'd be able to go in here and do all kinds of fine tuning. If I wanted to include more right here, I just left click and I can go over into dialogue right here. And what I can do is I can actually just left click right here and include whatever I would like to, just go on like that. And then left click right here. And we can, and then if I wanted to, I don't like that one, but then I like this one right here. So I'm going to go like that. So you can go in there. You can also remove right here if you wanted to as well. You could remove that sentence right there. So they make, I've been using a lot of other tools like Descript and so forth, guys. The way that they made this left click and just drag, literally you just go like this. I don't want that. I made a mistake. You just left click and remove what you want to as well. I haven't seen something so so smooth. I'll just say that it's very, very efficient and very smooth. And then if you want to go and add effects, you'd come in here and you would go, and it's already added some effects, but let's just say I want to go to adding another effect right here. Then I can go like that. I can push the add effect button. We can go and add a zoom. We can animate right here. We can stop the music right there. So I can add an animation and a zoom right there. Okay. So we're now adding an effect right there. You can go into B-roll. We don't have any B-rolls right over here, but let's just say I teach how to launch and sell your course to your audience. So I can go with add B-roll, and then I can either go with Google, Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, or we can search for right over here as well. So let's just go right over here to Pixabay, and I put something in right here. I'm just going to say earn money, and it's going to be Pixabay right here, and it'll have different options that'll come in. So let's just say we like this one right here. So I'm going to go boom and select that, and it's going to now add that B-roll to our video. We can also select transitions, position, animations, and motion effects right there. I'm going to go ahead and just click off that. You can also generate your own B-roll by just clicking the generate button right here, and it'll generate for the entire video all at once, which is cool. Now let's go play the video real quick.
When we come in here to the community, you'll see 3600 from my latest course launch. I teach you how to launch and sell your own course to your own audience. We have people that just came in and they've got proof of affiliate commissions. This person got paid $2,200, another $275 while they were out.
So it adds the B-roll in right there, which is cool. You can, and then, so any type of video editing that you want to do, right? And you can already see in the background, I don't know if you can hear that, but it already added sound effects and music. We can click on the tab over here. It already added those. They also have their own trailer cuts. They have these playlists right over here that you can go with. So you can go with AI music and use AI music. You can go with upload your own music as well. You can control the volume right here. And then you can go into framing and actually fine tune the framing. So for example, if I come over here, you'll be able to change if you want split screen, the streamer, top, bottom, stuff like that. And then what you can do is control the zoom right over here and fine tune the way you want the screen to look. You can also go like that. You can do split screen, all kinds of stuff right there. So you can control the framing. You can go to design and choose what you want the captions to look like as well. And they have a spelling feature to make sure if you need to fix anything in the captions, you can go and fine tune that as well. So you can spend as much time on editing. You can also change the size of the videos, 9:16 square or horizontal right there as well. So then you just go and download it, right? They have plenty of tutorials for us as well. And then right over here where it's generating these clips right over here for us as well. I wanted to show you the other part, the video editor, because you can go and upload a video that's 5 minutes or less, and you can upload that, and I'll show you what that looks like. So that it'll actually just bring in the video, like a long form video. And then you'll be able to come in here and this is what it'll look like, right? You can start completely editing from scratch. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a website with Perplexity Computer. This is a full tutorial. Let's go. All right, so so you can come in here and you would be able to, you know, like if we want to cut out that right there. So you want to cut that out. So you could come through here and kind of splice this up the way that you would like to edit that video. You could, again, add effects right over here. So we would just highlight this right here. We can add an effect right here. Again, zoom, music, you can turn music on and off, even on a certain part of the clip to add dramatic effect and so forth. You can go in here and add B-roll. We could generate B-roll and you can select from light or pro. We'll go with generate right here. So it'll actually generate, and I'll just show you kind of how you can do that. It's going to generate. And then you can go through and just edit a full 5 minute or less video right there. Another cool thing is you do have a calendar and you can actually schedule. One of the only other ones that is like this is like Opus Clips, but we can actually go and connect our account. We can connect our Instagram, TikTok, or our YouTube account. And so I have my YouTube account connected right here. So we can actually go and start scheduling some of our clips. So I'm going to go back into here. We look at a clip. Okay, so this is how you actually schedule. You do have to go to a video and push the download button. I kind of wish they'd make a note up there or at least make that apparent. I had to kind of dissect and figure it out myself. There should be some type of schedule, or at least when you hover over something like over here, it should actually have a little note that says, hey, you have to download your video in order to schedule it. That's different and for other apps actually. So once you push the download button, you have these options. You can go and play. You can actually push the download button right here. It just rendered the video. Now we can add it to the social media. So it's uploading a video. It says it's adding it to social media. Let's see what ends up happening right over here. And then you'll have this little box right over here. And instead of pushing the export, I don't know if we push the post button. So this is where we'll push the post button. It is connected to our YouTube. You can change the caption, the title. You can schedule it from here. And then you can push the schedule post. So I'm going to go and let's just say I schedule it for tomorrow at 9:06 a.m. and push schedule post. Just want to see what that looks like. And then we'll come back over here to Chop AI, to our dashboard, and then go into our calendar. And it does look like we do have that scheduled video right over here that we can just continue to edit and change. I do want to let you know that you also have, and we can go over here and look at the export. And we can come up here and you can also go to team and you can actually invite a team members to do the editing for you, which is a very nice feature. They do have a dark mode right over here as well. And then you have this Ask Chatbot right over here. It says here's some quick starts and schedule a post for me. So I'm going to click on that. Let's just see what ends up happening. All posts and clips. So it's going to go and you can just use a chatbot if you'd like, and it will help you along the way. I will say I think I like the light mode better. I think that it's just easier to see what's kind of going on. That's my example. If you watched any of my other videos, some apps just do better in dark mode or light mode, depending. I think that this app, I'm feeling the light mode a little bit more. So it says I can do that. I just need a few details, which project or clip, a date or time. So we could go through and just tell it, hey, we want this project, this clip, and then schedule 2 for us. And this will go out and do that for us. I'm pretty sure I covered everything. What I would like to say about the Chop AI, I'm probably going to give it about a 4 out of 5 stars, a really solid review, a solid score. It did have, it was a little bit slow on some of the rendering. You know, I'm not sure if that's my internet, my computer. I'm on a Mac Studio. I have high-speed internet. It just seemed a little bit long to render some of those, 60-second or less clips. And I felt like during the video editing process for framing and so forth, like a lot of my videos are, webcam and tutorial videos. And it was hard to figure out how to split screen, even though I selected split screen on a scene, to get myself to be on the top or the bottom where it said streamer and then automatically kind of show my screen. I just wasn't able to figure that out, kind of messed around with it quite a bit. And so for my experience so far using the tool, it isn't working perfectly for my kind of content, but I believe that this is perfect for talking head videos, podcasts, interviews, and so forth. Or if you're going to be clipping other people's stuff, this would actually be a very, very good software for that. So I think that that's what the true audience and customer base for this tool are, people really focusing on those talking head type videos, and people that are either wanting to do this and schedule it for themselves, or what I really like that feature as well. The only other thing that I noticed too was under the connections, I don't see where I could connect another YouTube account if I wanted to. Looks like you can only connect one account of each on your account. And maybe that's just kind of the way that they have it. And if you wanted to, connect multiple accounts, you just have to create a new account for each one. Not sure. But those are just some of the unknowns, some of the things that I found. But overall, solid product. You can tell a lot of energy and thought went into building this tool and this product. I think it's going to be a great product. This is them in the beginning stages. You can only imagine how good this software is actually going to get. So it gets a solid score from me, a 4. There will be a link below to go check out Chop AI. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.